Good morning. How are you doing? Welcome to our new channel, Oxford Cookies and Cups. And yes, we do cookies, we do cups, and we do tumblers. Look at this. I've got to make some new ones. This one here is for my other channel, Audrey Southern Cooking. My name is Nita. How are you doing? So I'll be sure to watch those videos on that channel as well. Go ahead and subscribe to both channels and like so you won't miss any videos, and hit that notification bell. But look at this. All right. This is, oh, by the way, a 32-ounce tumbler. There will be a lid and a straw to this. They'll be on my Etsy page, so be sure to check that out. As well as this is a 12-ounce cup. There will also be 15-ounce cups, and there'll be different designs. We can also personalize those if you'd like. As you know, and since my first video, we are a home-based bakery that we're just starting here in January. It's still January 2022. All right, let's get to today's video. Today, we're gonna make jumbo Snickerdoodles. I love me some Snickerdoodles. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I love cookies. I love me some cookies, but we are gonna make jumbo Snickerdoodles. So let's get started. All right, so I've got my stand mixer. So what we're gonna do is I've taken 2 sticks of butter. So this is 1 cup. These are both half cups. So that makes 1 cup of unsalted butter. Unsalted. And we have 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the sugars and the butter together. I've got my Mississippi cup. I love this cup. This was given to me for a birthday gift from a friend of mine I used to work with, and I love it. I still use it. So 1/2 cup of sugar. We're gonna take our flat beater. Make sure you lock it down, because you know I've done that before. If you've watched Audrey Southern Cooking, you've seen me do that before. We're just gonna turn this on low and let this start mixing. Once this is all creamed, we're gonna come back and we're gonna add the other ingredients. All right, so that's creamed together. So I have 1 egg and then 1 egg yolk. So we're gonna go ahead and put those in. Add them both at the same time. And then I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Put that in. And I'm gonna mix this as well. And when this is creamed together, we're gonna come back and we're gonna add our flour mixture. Oh, I can't wait. All right, we'll see you in a few minutes. So we've got that all mixed in. So now I have my flour mixture. So what I have in my flour mixture is that we have 2 3/4 cup of just, all-purpose flour. And then we're gonna have 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. I have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda. And I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in here. So what I've done is I went ahead and I just kind of mixed together with a fork. So what we're gonna do is just add, well, we might just go ahead and add this whole bowl. Don't forget to lock it down, and then we're gonna turn it on low. And I'm gonna let this come together, and we'll come back and then we're gonna scoop it onto our cookie sheets. All right, so I've just turned this off, and look at this. So you just want your cookie dough is gonna be, and then you can just mash it and see how it kind of sticks together and holds its form. That's what you're gonna want. All right. So we're just gonna take all this off here. I'm gonna get my cookie sheets over here, and we're gonna move some things around, and we'll be ready to scoop these on. We'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. So I've got parchment paper on my baking sheet. And we have a large cookie scoop, ice cream scoop. This holds about 1/3 cup of well, 1/3 cup of whatever you're gonna put in it. So what we're gonna do, now this should make about 6 cookies. So I'm gonna scoop it to where it's just a little over. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put this here. I'm gonna set this down. And what I have over here is gonna be brown sugar and cinnamon. This is 1/4 cup brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. So now what we're gonna do is take our scoop, and look how pretty that looks. Doesn't that just look pretty? And we're just gonna roll it. Roll it, or you can just cover it like this. And now this is gonna take about 3 cookies per sheet. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna finish scooping these out. 9 and almost, almost another. But you know what I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna go ahead and bake that size. That'll be a good size for us to eat and experiment with. All right, so my brown sugar and cinnamon. I'm just gonna roll this. So I'm gonna do that. We're just gonna roll this in this brown sugar and we'll come right back. Okay, look at these. They are ready to go in the oven. So we're gonna move over the camera over to the oven. You can see we put them in and we'll take them out. These are gonna bake at 350 for 16 to 19 minutes. 16 minutes will give it a more chewy cookie. 19 minutes is gonna make it a little crispier. All right, I'll meet you at the oven. All right, just a quick video on how they look when they came out of the oven here. And they're gonna sit here for about 5 to 6 minutes and cool off. So I will see you in about 5 minutes. All right, welcome back. These are still a little warm, but not real hot. So we're gonna go ahead and try them. And this is the small one. If you remember, you see how that looks. That was a little small one. And here's one of the bigger ones. So it's not bad at all. Look at the size of that. And look, it's really thick. So I've let them cool off. They look delicious. They smell wonderful. So let's crack one open. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Can you smell it? Okay, so they got a little crispy. What I mean by that, crunchy. The bottom got a little, of course, I've got brown sugar on the bottom. So you got a little crispy. I would like them a little chewier, but it's delicious. I may next time cook them a little bit less. I wound up cooking them, let's see, 16. I'll let them cook about 18 minutes. So they're a little on the crispier side. Had I stopped at the 16, they'd have been the chewier. But they are delicious. All right, that was a delicious cookie. I love some Snickerdoodles. It turned out really thick. It got a little more done than I would have really liked. I want them a little bit gooier, like chewier, you know. But these are delicious. They're delicious, and they got a little brown on the bottom. But again, that's the brown sugar. So what I think I may do is next time is roll them except for the bottom and see if that doesn't help it make it a little bit more chewier. Then that brown sugar kind of gets crunchy. I appreciate y'all watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and like the video. Also, don't forget, I'm gonna have a link in the bottom, not only with the description for these cookies and how you can purchase them, but also a link to my other channel that I have. It's called Audrey's Southern Cooking. If you haven't been there, go ahead over there and subscribe to that. We do Southern cooking, we do soups and vegetables and canning, and we make jellies. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestion for cookies that you would like to see me make, or you want to order some cookies and you haven't seen them yet, just go ahead and email me. It is oxfordcookiesandcups@gmail.com. Go ahead and email me what you would like and how many, and I will give you a price on those if you want jumbo or regular size, and I can get those to you. So don't forget to keep watching. We're gonna do bigger cookies. We're gonna do iced cutout cookies, and then we're also going to show you how to do design cups and tumblers, and it's going to be so much fun. All right, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.